Okay, so Valorant is one of those games that, like, I don't play by myself. Although it's well and good and it's fun and it's a great game, don't get me wrong, but it is much better played when you're with a group of guys communicating. That being said, the reason why I haven't made many Valorant videos recently is because some of my friends have disappeared off the face of the fucking earth. One, the guy I always have on red subtitles is Corey, and he moved away from Ireland. And he hasn't been able to get his computer to him, so he's literally been stuck playing Pokemon games on his phone. Dear God, Corey, I fear for your health. Please let me know if you're doing okay. The other guy, right, the guy who I do with the lime green subtitles, that motherfucker just disappeared. But one thing I've realized about ranked Valorant is that you often just meet really weird people. Like, really weird. Why? Where'd the paint come from? Is it from Valorant?
He said it on me.
Sorry?
He said it on me.
I don't know what he said.
He left me with another woman.
The dude is doing a really bad girl's voice. Well, he's very talented, obviously, but... Fuck me.
How old are you?
Me?
Yes.
I don't see how that's relevant.
Where are you from?
I'm from Ireland. Why do you want to know?
Phoenix, can you stop your Instagram, please?
No. Why?
I want to follow you.
Let's go. Well played. Nice ace.
Nice, man. Nice.
It's Breeze!
It's Breeze again.
Savio, what have you done? Why do you hate me? Can I just...
don't know, Joe.
Can I ask you? Can I ask you? Why did you fuck me, Savio?
I just kind of felt like it, Joe. Is that so wrong?
Oh,
Sen?
we're out.
Let's go! I'm back up to 4 viewers.
Oh yeah? Who are the 4 viewers? Type in his chat. I wanna speak to every single one of you. Apart from Chloe. I never want to talk to Chloe.
Yeah.
Who the fuck's that other person watching? You piece of shit, alright? I told you the text and I'm looking at Savio's chat and there's not a single person sending a message.
No messages?
Fucking lurkers. Bitch, you think that I need... You think I give a shit? You think I respect your goddamn blind? Man, I'm so good. See that
We're
shit?
out here.
Okay, so let's how about we just detain one again. Guess we're going this way.
Oh my god, I finally got killed.
Killed her. Okay, pop. I'm ulting. I'm planting, cover.
Are you kidding me? I'm that bad. Killjoy's that hookah. Shit, no, ridiculous.
It had 1 bullet left in the chamber! Oh my god! Okay, so let's address the elephant in the room. I'm playing KO now, alright? KO is a fucking lit ass champion, alright? He's everything I want in a champ. He's got flashes, he's got denial, he's got info, he's got pressure. He's got fucking everything. The only 2 things this guy doesn't have is sustain and mobility. And in fairness, he'd literally be broken if he had them because he is already broken. He's got far too much in his kit and I love that. Finally, I'm capable of delivering a role to my team that isn't a duelist. But goddamn, I'm not gonna play him like a controller. I'm going to play him like a duelist. I was detained. I'm coming in behind, they won't expect me. Oh my goodness, just die, thank you. Oh, sweet. Close.
You actually would have had it.
Yeah. Oh shit, be careful. Straight ahead. Oh, I've been flashed. Holy fucking shit. Right. Give me that fucking vandal. Ow.
Got one.
Whoa, okay. One in teleporter, one probably long. They still don't have the spike, so they don't have shit. There's one creeping up long, I can hear them. Really? Killed her. Moving on to A. She's saving. There's no way she's fucking saving, right? No, she's planting A. Got her.
Yep.
Damn it! I couldn't kill the killjoy in time. But I killed three of them.
Killed Joe by accident, I think. My grenade.
You son of a
Also,
bitch. Oh my fucking god. I'm flashing. And that's this champ. Surrender vote.
It's 1 to 10.
Oh my fucking god, I did not realize how bad we were doing.
Yeah, we have literally got our asses fucked to oblivion and back.
Absolutely beat.
Shit. Oh my god, I thought we were like even, man. In my brain cannon.